Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Antfuny 6-pack of towel bands. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. All right, so these are obviously pretty bright and colorful. Come with kind of a simple little bag to carry them along around in. Once you get them off the thing, you just kind of fold them up, put them in. As you can see, there's 6 colors to mess around with, depending on what you're looking for. Stretchable, obviously, and that's going to be the key, is they have to kind of get around a chair to hold the towel in place. And really that's, kind of, we're going to demonstrate this in a second, but that's the idea, is you're going to just kind of hold your towel right in place. So as you can see, they fold up nice and easily, so you can just kind of pack them right into this portable bag here. Maybe I just close that up, I'm not sure. There we go. And you'll have them to use at your discretion. And we'll go ahead and leave one out because we're going to try it out. But that makes it nice and easy and portable. So as you can see, the whole idea, if you've ever sat on a chair like this, is you put the towel up, it'll kind of pull down with you and stuff like that. So this will allow it to kind of stay in place and wrap. Now, be aware that it looks pretty stretched. I'm not going to lie, and it is a rubberized thing. There's still some give there, but as you can tell, it kind of really stretches it out. So I don't know how long these will last, but to me, it's awesome. Just a brilliant concept. So definitely worth buying for me, and hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.